So this is how to make $56,312 a month as a Fortnite YouTuber. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how this Fortnite creator, Destiny Jesus, is making this kind of money without relying on YouTube ad revenue or sponsorships. And the best part is this dude does not even get a lot of views. So how do I know that he's making this much money? And more importantly, how can you make this fucking much money as a Fortnite YouTuber or content creator? So really quick, if you don't know who I am, I'm just a dude that loves video games, and I also happen to be a digital marketing expert. This is how much revenue I made last year. Refresh. Haters will say it's fake. Now that that's out of the way, I want to go over how, if you're an existing Fortnite creator or an aspiring one, I'll be showing you how you can print fucking paper, bro. Make a lot of money just like this dude with your YouTube channel. And even if you don't play Fortnite and you're an existing gaming channel content creator, bro, this is going to be some sauce for you. So let's dive straight into this mother yucker. So what is the first thing you guys notice looking at this guy's content? Do you notice anything? The answer is simply this. His content all focuses on one specific type of viewer, and I'm going to get into how this leads to him monetizing in print and paper like crazy in just a second. But if we look at another huge Fortnite content creator with 8 million subscribers, let's look at the type of content that he creates. Fortnite just saved Season 4. I use Fortnite meme strategies in a tournament. TG plays versus the world, right? This content creator, and most likely you if you're watching this, most Fortnite content creators focus on entertaining, okay? But this dude, Destiny's Jesus, he focuses on educating. And that's the key difference here. You can see with this video, how to W key like Peterbot solo cash cup fighting guide. This is his most viewed video on his channel, posted a year ago. And this type of content is focusing on teaching people how to get better at the game or to get just as good as their favorite Fortnite player. How does that actually translate into him making money in dollars in the bank account? Well, tip number one is focus on teaching rather than entertaining, and know who your ideal customer is. What does the average person that watches your channel and your videos actually look like? In business terms, we call this ICP. It's short for ideal customer persona or ideal customer profile. And you might be thinking, but dude, I'm not even like really that good at Fortnite, so how can I teach people how to get good at Fortnite? Well, here's the thing, bro. You don't have to be a pro. You simply just have to be better than a complete newbie or someone that's just average at the game. I'll give you guys a quick example. When I first joined a boxing gym 5 years ago, I learned boxing from a dude that was also training at the gym that was already 2 steps ahead of me. He'd been training for 2 years. I didn't learn boxing from a pro fighter. Okay, what does this mean for you? Is people would be willing to pay you for your Fortnite skills and advice as long as you're just a couple steps ahead of them. You don't have to be a pro esports player. So how does this actually all work? Well, this Fortnite creator, Destiny's Jesus, you can see is promoting his own products. If we take a quick look at the links in his description, he has 4 different products he's promoting. Okay, and this is going to shatter some beliefs because a lot of gaming channels think, oh, the only way I can monetize is through merch. The only way I can monetize is through a small subscription Patreon community or paid sponsorships. Or even worse, they're relying on YouTube ad revenue. We all know CPMs are absolute shit in the gaming niche. So let's dive into what this dude is actually doing, because he promotes his own products, okay, as we can see in the description of his videos. But not only that, he charges a lot for these products, dude. This is the Masterclass Ultimate Bundle for fucking $80, bro. You might be thinking, oh, dude, that doesn't make sense. No one's going to pay for that. Dude, do you know how much money kids spend on Fortnite skins? Like $20 here and there all the fucking time. This is why this is one of the most successful video games of all time, because kids get their parents to dish out cash for their favorite skins. So to sit there and think that someone wouldn't be willing to pay to get better at their favorite game is just completely wrong. And this dude is living proof of it. But if you guys are curious how much this dude is actually making promoting his own Fortnite masterclass, well, he's printing cash. I have this tool, it's called SimilarWeb. It allows me to see how many visitors his website is getting. And we can see 35,000 monthly visits. So let's just do some quick, simple third grade math. If this dude gets 35,000 website visits with an average conversion rate of 2%, which is likely since it's a warm audience, he has around 704 buyers a month. 704 buyers spending $80 each is $56,312 a month selling a digital product. And guess what? It costs nothing to fulfill. So I hope this is really opening your guys' mind. If you're a gaming content creator watching this, I hope you're sitting there going, holy fuck, bro. I'm sitting on a gold mine. I just simply need to know what product to sell and how to position it properly. Well, bro, I've got fucking good news for you. Because the real key here is you don't want to be the next TG Plays. You don't want to be the next multi-million subscriber count YouTuber, okay? When monetizing a gaming channel, the main thing I've noticed out of the dudes that make a lot of money versus the dudes that make little to no money is the dudes that make a lot of money have a very specific viewer avatar, a very specific type of person that watches their channel. And you can see for this dude, Destiny, who this entire audit is on, he is focusing on educating his viewers on how to get better at the game. If we look at TG Play's description, you can see it says, hey, my name's TG, aka Typical Gamer, and I'm a gaming YouTuber. Make sure to subscribe for daily videos on all different games like Fortnite, GTA 5, blah, blah, blah. Okay? His viewer avatar is the average 7-year-old that loves Fortnite and just wants to be entertained. If we look at Destiny's Jesus, and we look at his channel description, it says, aimed at making you the best Fortnite player you can be and achieve your goals, whether that is getting your first earnings, going pro, or simply being the best player out of your friends. Bro, that is the desired result. That is the delivered promise that he gives with his course. And this is why this dude is printing paper. So if you start to position yourself as someone that's just a few steps ahead of the average player and you start educating people, you are perfectly positioned to start selling courses on that education. And here's the harsh truth most of you may need to hear, because YouTubers obsess over views. And me personally, obviously I'm not that good at content creation, bro. You can see how many subscribers I have, right? But I do know business. And I'll tell you this much. If you're trying to monetize your gaming channel, here's actually the good news. Viewers don't mean shit, bro. You need the right kind of viewers, okay? And again, you might be thinking, great, but this dude's a pro and I'm not, blah, 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 blah. And I would just say, bro, out of respect, shut the fuck up, dude. You don't have to be a pro, okay? Just listen to me for a second. I'm trying to help you, dog. There is proven demand for Fortnite coaching or courses. If you go on Fiverr, bro, let's just do this really quick. You guys know what Fiverr is? Fiverr is essentially a freelancing platform where you can hire freelancers, right? We go on Fiverr. Let's type in Fortnite. Let's go best selling. Bro, look at all of these people selling Fortnite coaching. This guy has 154 reviews. That means 154 people paid this random guy on the internet $20 to get better at Fortnite coaching. From what I can see, these are just average Joes on the internet charging for Fortnite coaching. Now, there's a much more effective way to package this where you're making a lot more money than just $20 per sale, like our buddy here, who's literally charging $80 for the master bundle, which we can get into later videos. But I just wanted to show you guys there's proven demand. And if you're a gaming YouTuber, here's my mission, bro, is I love video games. I love watching video game content creators. And it just fucking saddens me to think about someone sitting there wanting to be able to continue to do YouTube and put their all into it, but it's just not paying them the money that they deserve. And they just grind videos all the time. And it's just not panning out in terms of financial support. Well, bro, that's why I'm here to make videos like this, is to just help you guys. Okay? So if you guys like this video, let me know in the comments below. And let me know what game I should do next, because there are tons of gaming channels out there that are effectively monetizing that I would love to break down for you guys and show you and use my internet marketing experience how you can start to monetize your own gaming channel. No matter what game you play, there is an effective way to monetize it, and I can promise you guys that. So just let me know in the comments below if you guys like videos like this and what game you want to see me do next. That's it for this one, guys. Peace. Love ya.